Hello viewers, welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today video, how to add network printer on Windows PC. First of all, going to settings, then devices, then printer and scanner, add printer and scanner. Then this printer that I want isn't listed. Click on this and add a printer using an IP address or host name. Then next, say device type, select TCP/IP devices. Then press IP address 192.168.1. Then next, then when you listed your printed drivers, then not listed, click hard disk, then browse, then browse your specific driver that is already downloaded and select driver, open, OK, then select my printed driver. Then next, here I put a name and customize name, network printers. Then next, installing, then do not share this printer. Next, here I click test press print. A test press has been sent to your printer. Close, finish. Here I click and network printer finally added. Open queue and printer, then set and default printer. Now you can finish your task. Thank you.